Hello everyone, welcome to Sci-Ease. Now in this video, I'm going to discuss the last topic of very long chapter carbon and compounds, that is soaps and detergents. We just wash our hands. The dirt that will remain on our hands. But when we use soaps or detergents, the dirt that is removed. Now, here I will tell you what soaps are and what detergents are and how soap helps in removing the dirt from the cloth. Now, first is soaps. A soap is a sodium or potassium salt of long chain carboxylic acid or fatty acids. How we can form this? This is the carboxylic or fatty acid, very long chain, C17H35COOH. When it reacts with a strong base like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide and we heat it, the result will be sodium or potassium stearate. And this is having the formula C17H35COO negative Na positive. And the process by which the soaps they are produced, that is known as saponification. Now, what is the structure of the soap? Soap has two parts. One is long hydrocarbon chain drawn with blue color. This is oil soluble part and it is hydrophobic part. Hydrophobic. What do you mean by hydrophobic? That is, hydro means water, water repelling. And the second small part, this is the ionic part, which is water soluble and it is water loving, hydrophilic part. Now, one term I'm going to explain here is micelleformation. You know the structure of this soap now? A spherical aggregation of soap molecule in the soap solution in water, that is known as micelle. When I don't draw this, the center part, the dirt part, the remaining, that is the micelleformation. Where the micelle that will be formed? That is around the dirt particle. So how the soap clean the dirty cloth, that I am explaining here with the help of this diagram. Now this is water in which soap is dissolved and we put a oil or a dirty cloth in it. The micelle that will be formed around the dirt particle. This is suppose a black one, that is a dirt particle, and the micelle that will be formed. What will be the result? The hydrocarbon chain part, or you can say hydrophobic part, that will point towards a dirt particle, and the hydrophilic part that will be outside. So, soap micelle, what it does? It will trap the dirt particle and remove it. And this is the process how dirt can be removed from the cloth. Now, next thing, Sometimes comparison is there between soap and detergent. So we should know what are detergents. Detergents are the ammonium or the sulfonate salts of long chain carboxylic acids. Whenever the difference between soap and detergent that is asked, you have to draw a line between the two, soap and detergent, and first point should be about the definition, or you can say structure or components of soap or detergent. So I have written the formula of a very common detergent, sodium N dodecyl benzene sulfonate CH3 CH2 whole 11 C6H4 SO3 negative Na positive. One thing I want to tell you here, that sometimes we say that water is soft and sometimes we say that water is hard. In hard water, there are salts of calcium or magnesium. Due to the sulfates or carbonates of this calcium and magnesium, the water becomes hard. When the water is hard, soap does not produce leather with that soap. Leather with, when we rub it in hard water, soap does not produce good leather. But on the other hand, detergents that can produce good leather. Leather here is foam. They can produce good leather. So this is the advantage of detergent. Detergents, they are used in shampoos as well as for cleansing the clothes for cleansing purposes. So comparison of the two that may be asked. One question is how dirt that can be removed, that can be asked, and what is hard water, what is soft water, that you should know. So this is all about the carbon compounds. We started our journey from a simple carbon, what carbon is, what are hydrocarbons, nomenclature, and so many things we have done. So this is very important chapter. Thank you.